Hi, Kelvin here, and today I'm going to quickly go over how to create an overlay for your videos. So, what's an overlay? Well, you can see here on a YouTube video we have a notation, and that's a form of overlay. Now, the only problem with notations is they can be turned off, and overlays are usually information that we want to keep on the screen. So if we just move along on this video, you'll see here there's a call to action. Very simple. You can see the background of the video behind it, enter your name and email to get started, and an arrow pointing to what would be an opt-in box. So that gives you some idea of what an overlay is. So how do we create one? Well, they're very simple. There is the example you've just seen, and as you can see the background is transparent. Now at the beginning of this video you saw a title, and you can see a bar running along the bottom now. So how do we do that? First of all, we start by creating a new image. Now, my overlays are always exactly the same size as my recorded image, which is 1600 by 900, and the important thing is that the background is transparent. Now, I'm using Photoshop, but a lot of other image processors can do exactly the same job. And what we're going to do here is create the image you can see at the moment running along the bottom of your screen. Change the color on that. Let's go with blue. Now one of the things I always do is I create an extra layer. And the reason for doing that is I can fill that layer and see what's going on. So there's our shape. There's a stroke on the outside, that's a white bar. And we're going to brand ourselves now. And the easiest way to do that is to take an image. So we'll copy this. Paste it into the image, make sure it's the top one. And we're going to move it on top of the bar. Okay, there looks about right. We're going to add a stroke to it to highlight it. Make it white so it matches the bar. And there we have it. Now we're going to add some text. Again, very simple. Now we're going to move that and put it just where we want it. And I'm going to put a guideline in here because we're going to change the text in a bit and I want it to be lined up. We're going to add a title now, and this will be the title you saw earlier. And there we are. So this is going to be our title screen, or very similar to. We're going to save. For web and devices, I always use a PNG format, but you could use GIF. I just prefer the quality of PNGs. Okay, now we're going to get rid of the text and rid of the background, and this bar is then going to remain throughout the video. Same again, save for web and devices, so we can see it's there. And at the end of it, there's going to be a call to action on the bar. Very simple. We're going to line up the text with our guideline, and we're going to save that one too. call it CTA, and save. So there we've created our images. Now we're going to go to Camtasia, and again, any video editor that allows multiple tracks can be used to do this with. And at the moment there's already one image here. This is from a different video, and here's another overlay. As you can see, nice and simple. So we'll get rid of those. We have to import our media. Here we go, video overlays. So we're going to import our call to action, our main bar, and our title screen. And all we then do is we drag them onto an empty track. So there's the first one. This is our main bar that we're going to use throughout the whole of the video presentation. And to make sure that it lasts the full way, we just drag, quite literally, just drag out the image. And as you can see, it's staying there consistently throughout the video. Our last part is our call to action. So we drag that and we'll add it to the end of that. So what we have now, when the video plays, we start off with a title. Title disappears and the video fades in. And all the way through we have our bar at the bottom of the page. And towards the end of the video, it changes to a call to action, asking you to connect with me. And that's how easy it is to put a video overlay together. I hope you enjoyed this video and look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.